Prevalent helps us automate the collection in a very specific way. We provide the data and leverage their services to focus on collecting the actual questionnaire responses and vetting those responses against, do they make sense based on the information available and the other questions that were provided. That's a quality control and brings us back a question results that we can then analyze later. The important part of that is getting that type of work out of your organization and into a capable hands so that we can focus on the strategic work to really keep maturing a program and working more closely with the business where we add value and requires the skills and knowledge of your company in order to really advance. Prevalent's been helping us with the workflow for quite some time now, and the benefits of that workflow tool is to allow us to really trigger when certain things hit the wrong duration, or when something is going awry, to see that the right skill sets are brought in to actually address the issue. The Prevalent platform allows a lot of flexibility of even as simple as adding an attribute that makes your workflow go smoother, or automating an email, or automating a task assignment and making it take an extra step to communicate something as an FY to an additional group. With so many groups involved in true vendor assessment, it's important to really have that flexibility and tool that can execute based on conditions and make sure that you have outcomes that result in the business getting their assessment back to them quickly. So we've been really focused on outsourcing the collection to the skills of Prevalent and making sure we have that quality control, and then automating with the tool the ability to see that we are workflow handing off internally efficiently, and most importantly, taking that report with the controls that we believe based on the questions answered and focus on just discussing those controls that are of issue has really allowed us to take the average assessor and increase their ability to assess almost 2x the number of vendors per year out of the same resource. Prevalent's been a good partner for us, enabling to take on certain parts of the workflow of our process in order to allow us to create more time for critical resources that need the skills that are internal to the company to actually continue to mature our program.